Greetings, Amigoites! I'm Sasha the Candy. I stand here today with a bittersweet message. While candy brings joy and delight, it's important to acknowledge the bad effects it can have on our health. I'm here to shed light on this topic because knowledge empowers us to make informed choices about what we consume. Candy often contains refined sugars that are rapidly absorbed into our bloodstream, causing spikes in blood glucose levels. These spikes can strain our body's ability to regulate blood sugar properly, potentially increasing the risk of developing conditions like diabetes. Let's not forget about the impact of candy on our energy levels. While the initial sugar rush may provide a burst of energy, it is often followed by a crash, leaving us feeling fatigued and depleted. Relying on candy as a source of energy can disrupt our body's natural energy balance and leave us feeling sluggish. Now, I don't mean to sour your taste for candy entirely. Moderation is key. Enjoying candy in moderation and incorporating it as an occasional treat can still bring joy without compromising our health. So, my dear friends, let's savor the sweetness of life, but remember to treat our bodies with care. Thank you for lending me your ears. I'm Sasha, signing off with a sugary smile and a sprinkle of sweetness.